BittyBrush. Hi, let's draw a Christmas candy cane. Very good. It's very simple. Let's draw together. Let's draw the lines. Let's color the elements red. Very good. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. What a wonderful candy cane it turned out to be!